How to get a woman horny without touching her. It's important to approach discussions about intimacy with respect and consideration for both parties involved. Building a connection and creating a comfortable atmosphere are key factors in any relationship. It's crucial to prioritize open communication and consent. Rather than focusing on specific techniques, the emphasis should be on creating a genuine emotional connection, understanding each other's desires, and ensuring mutual comfort and consent. Openly discussing preferences, boundaries, and desires with your partner is an essential aspect of any healthy and consensual relationship. Remember, consent and communication are paramount in fostering a positive and enjoyable intimate connection. Creating a sensual atmosphere and fostering desire doesn't always involve physical touch. Here are 10 points to consider. Deep emotional connection. Build a strong emotional connection through meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Emotional intimacy can enhance the overall desire, confidence, and self-assurance. Confidence can be attractive. Projecting self-assurance and being comfortable with yourself can contribute to a woman feeling desired. Compliments and appreciation. Genuine compliments that highlight her attractiveness and unique qualities can boost her confidence and generate a sense of desire. Active listening. Paying attention to her thoughts and feelings shows that you value her as an individual, fostering a deeper connection. Create a romantic atmosphere. Set the mood with a romantic environment, such as soft lighting, music, or a cozy setting. The ambience can enhance feelings of intimacy. Verbal communication. Expressing your desires and fantasies through words can be arousing. Use descriptive language to create a mental image. Unexpected gestures. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures or unexpected acts of kindness. Feeling cared for can enhance emotional and physical connection. Shared fantasies. Discussing and sharing fantasies can create a sense of anticipation and excitement, contributing to arousal. Mindful compliments. Compliment her mind, intelligence, and personality. Acknowledging her intellect can be just as stimulating as acknowledging physical attractiveness. Teasing and playfulness. Engage in playful banter and teasing. A sense of humor and lightheartedness can contribute to a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Remember, the most important aspect of any intimate relationship is mutual consent and communication. It's essential to respect each other's boundaries and be attentive to verbal and non-verbal cues.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.